Here is high wind watch information for the following areas in Maine: Androscoggin, central and southern Somerset, Cumberland, Waldo, York, Kennebec, Knox, Lincoln, Franklin, Oxford, Sagadahoc, and the following areas in New Hampshire: Belknap, Cheshire, Rockingham, Eastern Hillsborough, Merrimack, Carroll, Coos, Grafton, Stratford, Sullivan, and Western and Central Hillsborough. The National Weather Service in Gray has issued a high wind watch, which is in effect from late Sunday night through Monday evening. Winds, west 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Timing, Monday through Monday evening. Impacts, strong winds may down tree branches and power lines. Scattered power outages may occur.